This truck has been unloaded together with a second truck. Inshallah, the one in front. This truck as well. These two trucks will be unloaded here, and the distribution will take place in the Kalam area, right in the north there. And this truck, inshallah, will be going back to Nowshera, to a very badly hit camp in Nowshera. This is our good friend, the Brigadier Adam Effendi.
He doesn't look like one now.
Well, he's a good man though, and he leads the efforts in all of the relief work in the Swat area. He's based here in Swat. He's been good enough to allow us to stay with him and help us with our distribution. A man steeped in history.